think now there should be some sound.
Oh, I sure hope so. How about now? Hello.
Yeah, I think now should be good. Hey. Yes, okay, I think.
I do hope you can hear us now. Let us know.
Um,
Oh, crikey. This is a disaster. How can this happen? Yeah. Robert Peacock says lol.
yeah, no, it's fine. Awesome. Okay.
No,
well,
it is fine.
okay. Well, in that case, what have you missed is Leanne singing Chemical Brothers, us wondering whether they're brothers. Leanne mentioning that she actually went to see them, but she doesn't remember whether they're brothers or not.
It's not that I don't remember. They didn't talk about it.
Yeah, and then we got really sad that Daft Punk split up.
Well, you did.
Oh, I did, yeah.
I'm not too bothered.
Really?
I can
Oh
live
my
without
God.
them. Put it that way. Yes.
well.
Oi. Yes. Okay. Finally here. Love you. Yes, I am. We can now hear you both. I am glad to hear you. Yes. I am glad too. Daniel. And Games Move 2. We missed you. Yes.
Did you? That's good.
Yes.
Oh, me.
I knew we missed a song. Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Will you check all of the submissions? Some of them are really cool. I wish I could, but I think there are too many. However,
yeah, I tried to for a newsletter to find out some really good submissions, and then I just searched JavaScriptmas on Twitter, and that was I was like, wow, that's a full-time job just to see them all.
Yeah. Speaking of which, now
There are so many submissions. It's incredible.
Yeah. I will find out how many at some point, but not now, because that involves rigmarole. So here we are in the JavaScriptmas hashtag, which is where you can submit.
Joe's great.
Which is where you can submit. Yeah.
Nice.
Here it is. So we're going to have a look at some of them. Chemical Brothers do not equal brothers. Just Googled it for you. Amazing. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for clearing that up.
While you're at it, are they chemical?
Well, I mean, in a way, we're all chemical, so I guess yes. Will you check up on the submissions? I totally will. Yes. That would be amazing. But first, we must, as Lacho has kindly reminded me, do our weekly tradition, which is, if you are new here, please put a bunny rabbit into that chat. If you've been before, hit me with that tiger. Yes, we already have Lacho, the first tiger of the night. Ew, Michael, why does your mug not have Scrimba on it?
Because I'm right-handed. But if I'm left-handed, then it will.
Bit of a UX problem there, but
I mean, yeah, for some reason these cups have a logo only on one side, but it would be nice to have it on both. Yeah, but if you're right-handed, it's it will be a good cup. All your viewers will be able to see it. But if you're right-handed, then you'll be looking at it. So yeah, it depends.
Look at this. My eyebrows are arched to the gods. Yes, or to the reindeers, I guess. That's seasonal.
Yeah.
Lots of tigers in the chat. Welcome back. And some bunny rabbits. Yes. Amazing. Woo, been a minute. And now you're back. That is good. Woo, hello from Argentina.
Ah, that's a mate emoji. Oh, I love mate, by the way.
Is it?
Yeah.
I always thought it was
that's
a coconut.
No, that's that cup with I think it's a gourd or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, with a metal straw.
Nice.
Yeah. It's a lovely tea.
And a bunny rabbit.
Well, drink.
And a tiger/monkey. You met a monkey this year, didn't you?
Did I?
Yeah, in Gibraltar.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Yes, I said hello.
Hello, monkey.
And it is true that they're really funny up in there, on the rock. Like literally on the rock. The mountain is called the rock.
Yes.
Yeah.
2022, Illa Gold tells us, is going to be the tiger year. Guess I'll add more then. Interesting. Where's Pumpkin? Pumpkin is there. Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, he's right here, like staring down the rabbit again.
Again, come and say hello. Ooh, I'm new here from India. Just checking out what's happening actually. Yeah. Stay tuned and we'll be looking at some JavaScript submissions.
Oh, there we go.
Here is Pumpkin, looking festive. Aren't
His
you?
fun little boat.
I hate this.
Put me down.
You don't hate it. Hello from Brazil. Sadly, there's no year of the elephant. Yeah, that would be good.
Yeah, and Kitty. Well, she doesn't have a bow, but I hope I have done.
Yeah, they didn't have any bows
Yeah,
small enough for her.
Kitty doesn't have a bow, but
Here she
yeah.
is. Oh, cute. By the way, says Lacho, is it correct to get month, new date, get month? Is new month show 0 minus 11, not 1
from 0 to
12.
11, from not 1 to 12. That's true, yes. So, like, if you get month, then December will be 11.
We should probably clarify what we're talking about.
Because they're
here.
0 indexed.
So, the first JavaScriptmas challenge was this bad boy, Christmas Countdown. And what Lacho is talking about is the kind of basic challenge was to get today's date, calculate remaining days, and put remaining days here. However, there was also a stretch goal, I suppose, of adding hours, minutes, and seconds. So to answer Lacho's question, he's saying that the months show up at 0 index, basically. Is that right?
That's true, yes.
So you'd have to add 1 for it to show if you wanted to use the numbers. I'm not really sure what the question is.
Is it correct to get month? Well, I mean, is it correct to get month like that? Yes. Is month show 0 to 11? Yes. That's also kind of... there was some discussion about it in spec and stuff like that. But to be honest, like some people like it, some people don't. There is obviously an argument about it as usual. But yeah, I don't really care. It's 0 to 11. Yeah, okay, fair enough.
Nice. Yeah, new here from Canada. Wow. Happy Christmas to all the Scrimba family. Thank you very much. We are just getting started on the festivities. Yes. Are we going to live code this solution as well? I think we are. Going to give it a go.
Not to all of them.
Well, no, because there's only 3
ages.
released.
Yeah.
So we're going to, well, this one we did on Wednesday.
That's true.
So we're going to have a go at 2 and 3. And we will be giving you a sneak peek at tomorrow's challenge. Yeah.
Are we going to be doing 2 and 3 or just 3? Or just 2?
Let's see. Hopefully
Let's
both.
see. Oh, wow. Okay.
Yes. But first, we're going to look at some submissions. I have selected a few here. But if there are others you want me to look at, just let me know. Renzo is in the chat. And Renzo has given us a countdown, not only till this Christmas, but till next Christmas.
Wow.
I know. And we've got the hours, the minutes, and the seconds there. So
he's like your mum. You know, he buys Christmas presents probably for his family the year before.
Totally ready.
Yeah.
Amazing. Very nice job to you, Renzo. Yay. What's next? This one was randomly selected as the winner yesterday. But I wanted to show it to you anyway, because I think it's a really nice setup this person has got here. This person is called Vito Caballero. Yes. This is what we were trying to do on Wednesday and struggled a lot. But they have done it. Look at it go. Well done to you.
Very nice. Very good.
Totally agree. Oops. Over to Henry. This is yesterday's challenge. I have to think about that. Yeah. Right. This is yesterday's challenge. The job is to basically wire up these radio buttons so that you can switch to a new theme. Mm-hmm. Yes. And Henry has taken it to a new level because in the original challenge, you only have Christmas and snow. But Henry not only has done that, this is Christmas, this is snow. Henry has also added a cookie option.
Cook it off.
Very nice.
Ah,
Gee,
nice.
Henry. Ooh. Ilona Gold has made this absolutely popping, Christmassy happy holidays one. So we can have snowman. Oh, look at that.
Oh, I see. So,
Yeah. I like the transition.
mm.
Very
Oh,
nice indeed. Well done to you. Mikachu. Not Pikachu. Mikachu.
Okay.
Decided to go for a nice change of theme, which is good to see some creativity in there. We can have Christmas, beautiful lights, snow. Ah, look at that.
Oh,
Very relaxing.
yes. Very nice.
Awesome job to you. And, oh, Dave. This is today's challenge. Whoops. Basically, what's happened is we have this, but obviously something's gone a bit wrong. Someone has not updated the styling from Halloween, and you have to fix that.
That does sound like every shopping centre in November.
Yeah, true. Dave has done that very nicely. Watch this. Look at it go. Fix. Ooh. Each letter changes.
Oh, wow.
And then we're hitting up the Christmas. Yeah.
Oh, wow. That was good. How did you do that?
Well, there's a little what's happening MD. For those of
very
you
good.
who are
Wow.
wondering, message starts to change one letter at a time.
Okay.
Halfway through the change, the emoji starts to transform.
Yeah.
Once the button has changed, colors and font will change, an emoji will reappear. And then snow starts to fall. And I didn't realize this, it lands on the red container. Whoa.
I think it just goes behind it.
That's not what that says. And it will get heavier over time. How awesome is that? Love Dave's one. Says, hello, Deborah.
Yeah, that is pretty good. That is pretty good. So how's it actually done?
Well, here you go.
Oh, he's painting on the canvas. Oh, wow. Okay.
I've never used canvas. Have you?
No.
I'm hoping you'll explain how it's done.
No, I actually know you. Well, a couple of years ago, well, by a couple, I think about 4, I had done this. Wes Boss has like JavaScriptmas. JavaScriptmas. He doesn't have JavaScriptmas. JavaScript 30 challenges or something, and one or a few had canvas in it. And that's kind of the extent I went. Like, I haven't done.
I know that
since.
Wes Boss has used it.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's what canvas is. But
it basically allows you to paint, like make drawings with JavaScript on it.
Oh wow! Look, the snow on top of the container is just a white border, getting thicker over time. That's amazing.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. So it is.
The snow is setting.
How clever is that?
Yeah. Extremely.
A part of me kind of wants just to wait to see what happens when it reaches the top.
It's very relaxing to watch these snowflakes.
Yeah.
This is Debbie's. Debbie has made 4 new themes.
Okay.
Winter Wonderland, Merry and Bright,
yeah,
Classic Christmas, and Candy Cane Lane.
Wow.
Yeah. Very nice, Debbie. I enjoyed this. And Debbie over on Twitter has also shared some other solutions. I haven't seen these yet, so this will be, well, I might have seen them, I don't know. This is today's, yay! Oh, isn't that sweet? Lovely. From Farah and from Tahirk. Oh, nice little buttons and falling snowflakes. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Falling connecting snowflakes.
Yeah, wow.
I know.
Oh, look, as you can move, it kind of repels the things.
Now you can put Halloween back. Have a scary day. What's this on it? Ooh, the bats do something. I reckon this is with canvas as well. But I don't know. Whoa, look at this.
Oh, it's using Particles.js. Oh, I see.
Particles.js?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's like a library that does interaction with these dots and stuff. Yeah, particles.
Whoa. That is amazing. Thank you
Yeah, very good.
for submitting these to Herc and Farah and to Debbie for drawing them to our attention. Super
Very nice.
cool. Can I share a link of that Scrim Dave Collison? I don't think he can because you can't share links in the chat, but I think I can.
Yeah.
So here you go. Yes.
There we go.
And I'm going to put some, if not all of these, on to our submissions of the day.
Look at that. The border is actually, is it me or it's not symmetric?
It's very much not symmetrical, like.
Yeah. Oh,
do you really think your eyesight's that bad, Michael?
Well, I'm looking at it as an angle, so I'm like, not sure. But yeah, wow, that's really good.
Just like real snow. Very effective.
Yeah, that's a nice attention to detail.
Over here.
Very good.
At the very catchy URL of weeklywebdev.scrimba.com/JavaScriptmas/JavaScriptmas.html, we have our solutions of the day. Yes. Now, this does not mean that we think these are the absolute best, because that would involve us looking at all of them, which I wish we could do, but we can't. These are just some that have caught our eye. And you can access this by going to this link. And maybe you're going to put it in the newsletter. Yeah.
Yes.
That would be good. Hopefully, we're going to have a link up here soon. But,
yes.
There's only one of me. I wish there were more of me. Well, actually, I don't, but
I wouldn't mind.
Point being, I'm really impressed by Particle.js effects. I know.
Yeah, very good.
Amazing. My solution is so lame. I feel bad. Well, Magnificent, you haven't seen my solution yet, so don't worry too much. I'm sure it's better than mine.
You can go and have a look at my solution on Wednesday, and you'll definitely feel much better.
How long it took us to do it.
Yeah.
Just finished my third JavaScriptmas challenge. That is amazing.
Nice.
How about you put in the chat how many challenges you have done so far? So that would be 1, 2, or 3, unless you've hacked the system and you've seen some others. So yes, put a 1 or a 2 or a 3 into that chat ASAP. Where's your cat? Currently chewing something.
Yeah, she was chewing the curtain, and she shouldn't be chewing the curtain. Whoop.
Yikes.
She shouldn't be chewing the curtain.
Here she is.
Well, one of them, and another one is
still staring at the rabbit.
Oh, we shouldn't have said that. We should have just said that we minimized Pumpkin, put him through Webpack.
You can't minimize Pumpkin.
And
yeah, very much not. We've been trying to minimize Pumpkin for about 6 months now. But,
that's true.
He keeps stealing food from the neighborhood cats.
Yeah. You're basically admitting guilt. You know? To be fair, it's not.
I mean, he's been caught in the act, so
it's not us stealing food for him. It's him stealing food for himself. So, in a way, cops should talk to Pumpkin.
So, in answer to my question, how many have you done? Can I give you a link in the chat to see my solution? You can try, but it might not work. Let me know your Twitter handle if that's where you've shared it, and I will go and find it. Dave has done 3. So has David. Julio's done 1 so far, and we have 3. Ooh, 3.
Oh, wow.
I love me some JavaScriptmas. Lots of people have done 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Yeah. Illa was not going to participate, but has done 3. Amazing.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Okay. I am going to give you a small Christmas present in the form of a sneak preview of tomorrow's challenge. Yeah.
So December the 3rd present.
Is that significant?
Yeah. 19 days? No, 21.
You say that like it's
my maths is so bad.
I mean, Michael, don't confuse me. Yes. here it is. We have an empty box and an array, const items. Michael's least favorite word in the English language, or maybe in all languages, is items. So
I don't know, like some people I noticed really hate word moist. And I have to admit, like I hate the word items. Like it's just annoys me so much. I don't know why. Every time I see it, it's just so irritating.
Anyway, your task is for, actually no, let's show the nice little scrim. For each item in item array, create a div with class checklist item, which contains a checkbox input and corresponding label.
Do you know what's really funny as well? You know how much I hate the word items.
I didn't know that when I made this. It's only come to light recently.
Yeah, and guess who had to record a video for it? Like, who had to record the scrim for it? You know?
Is this yours? Oh yeah, this is yours.
Yeah, it is mine. I was like, oh my god.
This is Michael's very first JavaScriptmas challenge.
I know.
It's amazing.
I know. It's basically like I've been tasked to scratch nails on a blackboard for myself.
And you got to make sure that the shopping list can render a checkbox for all the items, even if new items are added to the array.
I love how people took that banter to heart and just like started spamming word in the channel.
For every item word. Moist is almost an anagram of items. Items,
That's
items,
true.
items. Yay. Thank you, Scrimba, for such wonderful content. Nice. The link is not working. Which one?
No, the link that I think that's the Stormy Weather is the one who asked about whether sharing.
Okay, Stormy Weather.
You don't share the Twitter link, just type us your Twitter handle.
Yeah. And then I'll have to go and manually find it.
Yeah.
Will, asks Hero, the $1,000 prize suffer from bias in favor to the best looking submissions? Absolutely not. No, it is selected completely at random. Yes. So we wanted to do that so that beginners have just as much chance of winning.
Completely
as other
at
people.
random with an asterisk that the random is based on the computer random, which is not super 100% random. There is
terms and conditions apply.
Look it up. Look it up. Seriously, like random. When you generate random bun code, it's not really random. It's like it's seeded a little bit. So it kind of depends on your system. So it's random depending on someone's laptop.
Michael, I think it's fine.
Yeah, but it's random enough.
Hero says, excellent. Is there any HTML validation image type like PNG or JPEG? In general or for JavaScriptmas? I think in general there is.
I don't know. Not quite sure I follow the question, but oh well.
HTML validation image type. HTML input accept attribute.
Is that the question? Where you can say input accept and then you say what it is.
Well, no, that validates it so it only accepts an image. But I think that can be any type of image.
Not necessarily, because you see where it says image / that's where you can say which type of image.
Oh, well, there you go. I hope that answers your question, Mr. DC.
Yeah, or you can use the star as a wildcard character. So basically, image * means any image.
Yes. Right. Interesting question. If we say items enough, maybe he'll become desensitized. I've tried that. Doesn't seem to be working.
It kind of like right now, like because Leanne was saying it so much, and I've seen it so much on the screen. Yeah, it kind of wears off a little bit, but I swear, like in a couple of days, so I see it, and yeah, it's back.
Should we push our commented code on GitHub? Is this a general question? What do you think? Should you leave comments in code when you push them? I mean, if they're helpful to understanding it.
Yeah.
If they're like, oh, what was it? We were looking at some repo once and there were a load of like, this is the effing something something.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh yeah, there is like a question on Stack Overflow, which is like, what are the funniest comments you've ever seen in code? And yeah, like the answers are pretty funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, this time. Really? Okay, not that one.
Are you from Sevilla?
Why are there so many of them? Ah, they need a number 5.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay,
Okay.
I have found them. Here it is. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Snowflake theme. Oh, with a beautiful glowing border. Christmas theme. Pulsating snowman. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at this. Can you see snowflakes in the background, or am I imagining that?
I think you're imagining that.
I'm imagining it.
Yeah.
I've been snowflaked out. Oh, very nice. Thank you for sharing. Yes. Oh, Tim Wrinkle on your HTML question says, I think that may check the file name, but not the contents. I'm going to mute for a bit. Apparently, Tim, this revelation was so shocking
Not related.
that it caused Michael to choke.
No, not related.
Is that safe? I guess not. Yeah. Could you please explain abstract structure tree?
No. I'm sorry. Is that like a part of...
It's part of JavaScriptmas, yes.
Is it? No. I think it's like a part of like language design and stuff. But I don't quite understand.
No, that's a different tree. Anyway, let's get coding.
It's not a Christmas tree now.
Michael, we have here JavaScriptmas day 2.
Okay.
Yeah. And you'll be pleased to know that the tasks are already here. Add the functionality to switch the theme between Christmas and snow. And if you're wondering what those themes are, here they are. We have Christmas with font family, mountains of Christmas, and dark green. And the background is this wine red. All of these colors come from these variables up here. And then for snow, it changes it to lobster 2.
Right.
And the background color to snow. The color to snow and the background also to snow. Okay, well, let's see what happens. How do we do it?
I don't know, so let's have a look. Well, you've got inputs, right? So is it just literally just switch the theme over and that's it?
Well, first off, yes. And then we have stretch goals. Add more themes, allow a user to customize themes, turn radio buttons into toggle switch.
Oh, wow, that's a big one. Okay, well, fair enough. Well, let's add the functionality to add the switch. So the switch is fairly straightforward. You click on the radio button and you flip some CSS variables, presumably. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess so.
Yeah, there we are. Well,
we've got here. So we have our greeting, our body. I now know you don't need to do this.
Yeah, you can just say document.body.
So I'm going to change that. I found that out recently.
Yeah.
Whoop. Save some code. Const Christmas button is this. So I reckon. I don't think we need an event listener. I don't even think we need JS.
Really? Tell me more.
Well, because you can do something like Christmas button
Right.
checked, can't you? And then add the theme.
Oh yeah. Hang on. Oh, I see what you mean. So you can actually
So something along the lines of
because that's like a CSS selector, isn't it? Something checked.
Christmas.
Oh, I
What's the
see.
name of it?
Ooh, that's a bit cheeky of you.
Well, I didn't know this when I made this, so.
Oh, I see. Yeah, fair enough.
So Christmas.
Yeah, the most straightforward one would be like JavaScript.
But it's an ID. I don't like using IDs in here, but I'll refactor later.
Okay.
Checked.
Is radio buttons actually checked? Oh yeah, so it is. Look at that.
Look, it's a
Space. I think you need a space between. Yeah.
I don't think you do.
No. Well, have a Google.
Okay. Radio buttons checked.
CSS.
Maybe this doesn't even exist. I'm pretty sure it does.
Yeah, look, matches.
Yeah, so you only need this. Oh, I think it's just because I haven't got anything in it. Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah.
Let's just check this is working. Background red.
Background. Is it background or background color?
Could be either.
Oh, I see.
Interesting.
So something is overriding it.
Value Christmas.
Oh, yeah, but when you're saying background red, are you changing what background are you changing off?
Well, that would be the input.
But there is no background on the input. Like the input element doesn't have any background. I think you want to change so you want to change the background of a body, right? Isn't it scoped to that item?
Well, currently this is just testing. So I can change really the background of anything.
Yeah, but what I mean is the background red.
Can't you do
the background of what? Is it of that particular element or is it a
well, that's what this should be, yeah. Did you already hit save on the HTML file? I miss that all the time. I think we didn't change anything on the HTML file.
Yeah, no.
I don't think so. But good call. That has happened to me many times. You can use this curly thing. Where is it though? There. To change the body. Okay. Or change color to red. Yeah, good idea. I feel like we're missing something really obvious. Matches any checked or selected radio. So really, you don't need this. What have they changed? Border. Let's give that a go.
I think
I don't want that, yeah. But wouldn't it have that anyway by default or not? It's the label that you can change the color of. But then CSS effect div with another div. How to affect other elements when an element is hovered. Yep, I always look at this page. If the cube is a sibling of its container, right? So this should do label. Okay, this is doing something, Michael. Look.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
Wait. Just to show people. So now, when they're checked, this is adding a extremely ugly red border around the label. So we can do that. Oh yes, look, Bob has put this. Maybe input checked plus label color red. So the plus.
The plus.
If the cube is next to after the container's closing tag. So actually, I think that will work. So what's the difference between next to and sibling? That works as well. I'm sure there is some kind of difference, but let's not get too hung up on it now. What we need to do is actually change the body. So that's like levels above it, which probably you can't do. If the cube is directly inside the container.
Oh no, so that's if the cube is somewhere inside the container. How about parent? What if you do it the other way around? You know, like more than is one way, but what if you do it the other way?
I don't think that exists.
Well, just give it a go.
CSS change parent by clicking
from child. That was
based on child. Main menu. Oh, so maybe this. So that would look like for ours. Just going to copy this. It would look like checked here. Don't need this. And this is body.
Yeah, but doesn't that, I think the more than just says
But then there would always be a body.
Yeah, a child or body. Whenever
I don't think this is going to work.
No. I think we need to. See.
Not sure if you can change parent property in CSS. I'm pretty sure that you can't. Yes, it's very pleasant to see that you're spending your holidays and festivals with your community. Yay! On Christmas Eve, which is December 24th, we will be right here. Sibling just has to have the same parent. Next to has to be directly next to. Oh, right, I see. Yeah. So they can't be like.
Let's have another Google then.
Apart.
Because I think Bob also says that he's done it in Sass. So if it's doable in Sass, not necessarily it's doable in CSS, but you know.
I'm not too deep into CSS. Can someone point me to what MEEP stands for? This means when the checked
like child selector.
Yeah. So when the checked is inside the body. I think we should just use JS, Michael, as is JavaScriptmas.
Revert it.
Michael, that doesn't exist, I'm telling you.
Well, I mean, maybe.
It doesn't.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a little bit, you know.
I mean, you can make your own CSS framework for it to exist.
Oh, no.
Anyway.
I don't hate myself that much.
Back to JS. So when we click these, we want to apply the Christmas.
Yeah, well, so looks like we'll have to use JavaScript.
Christmas class.
Doodah.
Doodah.
As you say.
Thingy. So I reckon what we can do. Event listeners? Do we actually need event listeners? Because I think we could just check if it's checked. See what I did there.
Yeah, well, it's event.target will be
we don't need event.target. We don't. I don't. No. Got add event listener.
What's a Christmas button?
The radio button with Christmas next to it. Click.
Oh, that's. Oh, I see.
And then we can.
Yeah, I suppose that's one way of doing it.
Translation. I suppose that's a rubbish way of doing it.
No, it's just.
And then the same for the old snow button. Snow, roots. btn. And then we're going to do a toggle theme meet. Oh, need the old function keyword.
Yeah.
And then a conditional.
Yes.
Conditional?
Yeah, that's not.
I'm thinking like if class name contains Christmas, then you want class name equal or toggle probably. Or maybe just we can always toggle both of them. Maybe we don't even need a conditional.
Yeah, but that's the thing. Like the next one will be add more themes. So
Type some yes.
yeah, the next thing that you want to do is add more themes in the stretch goals. So I think it's good if we start checking what theme it is.
I think we should do the basic challenge first and then move on because we've
so
got
what
this.
in your HTML, what does it look like? So
look, hint.md. Add or remove the Christmas or snow CSS classes. I made these challenges like 2 months ago. So this is like useful. Depending on which option has been selected.
Yeah, so when you go to index.html, so you know what? Go to index.js and just console log event.target.
Why? I want to use event.target. What even is that?
It's fine.
It's not fine.
But you need to pass it along then as well.
IBBR request.
No, you need to pass it in. You need to pass in the event to the thing. So let me just quickly show you. So you pass in an event as an argument, right?
Is there a course for Sass? Not yet.
And then
hopefully
here
soon.
You'll do oops, sorry. And event. Well, or you can just say e toggle e. And the same here.
Illa Gold reckons instead of adding or removing classes, toggle is great choice. I reckon so too.
So when you do that, you will have event.target, and the target will give you the name property.
Okay.
And then you also have value, snow. So when you say event.target.value, you'll have snow, Christmas.
So now we can save that in a variable called theme.
Yeah.
And then
if
the event is passed in automatically, says Bob0. So no need for extra wrapping function.
Okay, fair enough. Everything is amazing.
Yeah, it is. Truly. Add event listener, click toggle theme.
Oops, that was wrong.
Amazing.
Yeah, I'm not console logging it. That's why it's not there. Just quickly double check. Event.
You need to. You're not running.
Oh yeah, I'm not doing it.
I'm not doing it. Wait.
Yeah, so it is.
Pointer event is trusted true.
Yeah. So. I thought that was a train. Is it a train?
No, it's Tada. There
Tada.
is a train one.
Is it? So yeah, if theme equals snow, snow, then yeah, make it snow. Else, yeah.
Make it Christmas.
Make it Christmas. So yeah.
Okay. So to do this, we will do. I don't think we need that though, because what we can do is over here. Yeah, we're just adding a class, aren't we?
Sure.
So
Yeah.
we can do
Oh, I see what you're doing.
body dot. I don't want add class name. I just want only class name.
What do you mean?
Because if you add class name, you would end up with both, which you don't want because then only the one at the bottom would render. JS set class name.
So you can either
Oh, just class name equals.
Yeah. Well, you're gonna mutate basically the class name.
Class name.
Yeah, equals. So I'm not sure you should do just theme because you need the dots, don't you? No, you don't.
No.
No, you don't. Oh, okay. Yeah, that should do it.
It is.
Oh my god.
Working.
So in that case,
yay!
You can just say event.target.value. Body of the class name equals event target value.
Yeah. Like this.
Yeah.
No.
Well,
you don't need this.
Yeah.
Yes. Obviously, I don't think this would work in production code because
Why?
this is setting the, I mean, it might, but it's setting the class name to only be Christmas or snow. So if you used any other class on this, it would remove it. But for the sake of this challenge.
Well, yeah, but you can also
works.
add more themes and so on.
Yes. This is what I had in mind originally, what Michael LaRocca says. My solution, theme.classlist, remove Christmas, theme.classlist, add snow. Yeah, we're in a conditional like what you were going to do.
Yeah, you can just say toggle.
Which this would actually be more robust, I think, for the reason I said earlier, that you wouldn't have to worry about removing any other classes you had. But for the sake of this, we will go with it. Yes. Class list is 100. I just realized that class name and class list are different. Anyway, let's do the next challenge because I think it would be nice if we can get into doing them all. Michael.
Oh no, pumpkin.
What's pumpkin?
Pumpkin got stuck.
Pumpkin got stuck. Not for the first time.
Yeah, pumpkin got stuck.
Yes.
Oh no.
Here we are, not wanting to scare our relatives. Yes. What do we actually need to do? Write a function to fix the UI problems with this Christmas message. Make it Christmassy. Run the function when the fix button is clicked. Okay, well let's do the second part first then. Run function when fix button is clicked. So that will be btn dot add event listener click and fix. That shouldn't be too difficult.
There we are.
Console.log fixed. Woo. Yes.
Done. Nice.
So now
I'm off.
we want to fix the UI problem. This is very similar.
Yeah, I suppose it is. So you want to, well, it's similar in its approach, but slightly different implementation, isn't it?
Yes, and also there is no CSS, so you have to write the CSS.
Yeah, so you do need to write all the CSS that you want to fix, and you presumably also want to change HTML.
You can do it all in here, can't you? Because you can do something. What are the actual elements? We have greeting. Oh, there's only greeting. Oh, yeah.
Well, you can change the container itself.
Yeah. So greeting dot style dot font family equals
What font families do we have?
What font families do we have? We have Mountains of Christmas. It's back again.
What is this font, Mountains of Christmas?
I don't know. Let's have a look. Christmas is this.
Oh, right. It's like this.
Beautiful.
Right. Yeah. Oh, I call it Nightmare Before Christmas.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, we do want this. So.
Yeah, but you already.
Oh, it's already in there. What I need is this.
Yeah, right.
Blink.
Yonk.
Put this there. Yay! So that has fixed.
Can you just type it like that? Not a string or anything?
Apparently.
What if you delete the cursive and the semicolon? That can't be a valid JavaScript. I think it's like a default to something. Yeah.
So what do you think I should do? Oops.
I think the cursive is a default anyway, but you can wrap it into like interpolated strings. Yeah. Again, because yeah, it's like yeah, there we go.
Interesting. So what's happening here is that it's adding cursive, but it's not adding Mountains of Christmas. So
no, I think it's adding Mountains of Christmas, but it doesn't add cursive because cursive is like now it reads it as a variable. If you delete cursive and a comma, that will. I think Mountains of Christmas font, the default is a cursive.
change font family. JavaScript. Family property. Oh, so this is what it should look like.
Yeah, so it's one string that you get. Oh, you shouldn't give it the semicolon. That's what it was. So when you go back,
the semicolon.
No, that's command. Whoop. Like that. But the semicolon at the end over here, you shouldn't give it. So click fix. There we are. But then do you give it like that? Oh, well, yeah, I suppose that's good enough.
Let's just... No, that is actually working. So what I've done here is messed up the link that's bringing in Mountains of Christmas, and it is loading just the standard cursive font. So that has worked. Yeah. Do this. Mountains of cursive.
Yeah,
Mountains of Christmas cursive.
Yeah.
Tom
because
Chen.
I got slightly confused by semicolon. Do you need semicolon? Like in CSS, you need a semicolon after the rule, but if you're doing it through JavaScript, you don't add that semicolon.
No, yeah, that's true. Font family, caveat, cursive, font family, Mountains of Christmas, cursive. Oh, the import instructions on Google Font is weird. It suggests this. But anyway.
Yeah, but that's a CSS rule.
We have done that. And with 4 minutes remaining.
Well, yeah, but we need to remove the ghosts.
We do need to remove the ghosts.
And the pumpkin.
And I think the best way to do that is greeting.text content, don't you?
Yeah.
Oops. Equals Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. I'm sure there's a better way of doing this without retyping the whole thing. But... Snowing snowman. So now, the big reveal. Yay! It has worked. Make it with the CSS animation for an extra challenge. Yes, indeed. Like some of the ones we saw earlier.
Hope neat.
To show you, is it this one? I think it was. Oh, look how much it snowed now. I don't want to unsnow it, so I'm going to reload. Yes, Here you go. Made by Dave. Woo.
That was really good. That was really good.
Tom Chan informs us he was speaking complete rubbish as he totally misread it. That's okay then. Any chance of a coffee? That would be good. I wouldn't mind a coffee, actually. Yeah. For JavaScriptmas, come on, Leanne. For JavaScriptmas 2021, will there be a certificate and Discord badge awarded when all 25 coding challenges are completed like last year? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, there will be. I've not organised it yet, but there will be.
Yeah, we discussed it in the last town hall that we had.
Oh, yeah.
We decided we kind of have to do it.
Totally did. That's 2 whole challenges in one live stream. Woo! Killing it. Yes. Next week, Michael, we will have 7 to do in one live stream.
You're joking.
So we've got to pick up the pace. Well, yeah.
7.
Because it's going to... Is that right?
But that's like less than 10 minutes each.
It's going to be the 9th, the 10th. So we have to do all of these.
Oh, I won't be here on the 10th.
What?
Yeah, I've got my work's Christmas party on the 10th.
But you said it was cancelled.
No, I didn't.
You did.
That is like, it's cancelled. This is not the party you're looking for.
Yeah. I'd rather do this.
I'd rather go to a party.
Congratulations! You got my subscription! Hooray! Yay! Wait. Script in advance, lol. Oh, we could do that, but people would know because we'd be better than usual. I mean, actually, I have got solutions to all of these.
Yeah, but you never open them.
Non-focusing, but I never open this.
Yeah, that's because you...
No, it's because you're all the way back there.
Yeah, I know, and I'm leaning in and you're leaning further in, and now I can't.
A huge thank you to Scrimba. Landed my first internship today, just 6 months after I started learning. That is amazing. Oh, you missed the live stream. Do not worry. It will be recorded so you can watch it back.
You can actually just like hop like somewhere around here. Not on the screen. Somewhere around here. It should be like, just go back in time on the timeline. Basically, even live events, you can actually rewind. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Michael, can you come closer?
I can't.
You're making
no.
me nauseous. I want some hot cocoa. We are cute. Oh, that's good. It doesn't matter if people know. Just chuck in a few deliberate mistakes, like we always do. Deliberate mistakes.
Well, you know, it's like with teachers, yeah. Like when you catch a teacher's mistake, and then they go, "Oh, I meant that." It's like they didn't. They totally did.
They totally did. Anyway, join me on. Oh, I'm not sharing again. On Monday for the last weekly web dev show of the year. Yes, you may have forgotten about the weekly web dev challenge, but we still have to finish this one. So come along on Monday and I'll have a look at them. It will be amazing. Oh no JavaScriptmas for 2 days. Do not worry. You can do the challenges afterwards and then you still might win the $1,000 cash prize. Hey, thank you a lot for all your kind words. That's very nice.
Aw.
Will this subscription help me? I hope so. I think so.
Yeah.
Or do you mean subscribing to YouTube?
Yes, definitely. Like,
do subscribe to our YouTube channel.
yeah, subscribing to YouTube and liking the videos. This is like the best thing you can do with life, you know?
Well, let's manage expectations.
Yeah, no.
This is such a hilarious stream.
You can hit dislike as well. It makes no difference.
I think Sose's the person who emailed me and asked to send the reminders earlier, which I did read your email, and I think it's a good idea. But I haven't had time this week. I've been late for everything. But I will do it eventually.
Yeah.
Thank you for your suggestion. If it was you. If not, you probably wonder what on earth I'm talking about. Also, time for... Actually, no, I don't want to do that. A shameless plug. Code with Leanne has just dropped a new video. 5 more ways to add icons. Yes, because I had 5 ways to add icons, and this is the follow-up vid.
What? 10 ways to add icons to your project.
There's probably way more,
Really?
but for free. So yes,
Oh, how many ways do you need?
Go and check it out. And I will see you back here next
Wow.
Monday. Have a wonderful weekend. And don't forget to send in your JavaScriptmas submissions.
Yes. Oh, there you go. Pumpkin came along to say goodbye as well. See you later, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Happy Christmas.
Catch you later.
Coding.